No, I think he's right in what he said. Like, it's empty.
Yeah.
You know, and like you hear so many more sounds when a house is empty like that.
No, which is true, man.
I mean, our furnace is noisy. You hear our furnace all the time. But when you're just home and going out your day, you don't even notice it. But if at nighttime, I hear it kick on and wow, good.
Hey, you want to fly? I saw it ahead and I slowed down. Like, everybody want to fly everywhere. Tailgating a hard body.